Hi guys, today we've got this easy messy bun hairstyle. To start, I'm going to divide the hair in half, and working on that right hand side we're just going to divide this section in half again and secure each one into a low ponytail using a clear elastic band. Then moving over to the opposite side, we're going to do the same again, so split that section in half and create 2 more ponytails. So you should end up with 4 low ponytails. Grab some texture spray, I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below, apply to the top of the head and then gently pinch and pull at the hair to create more volume. Now taking the 2 ponytails on the right hand side, I'm going to tie them together in a simple knot like you were tying up your shoelaces. Pull them tight and add a few bobby pins to secure them to the head. Then repeat the same knot on the 2 ponytails on the left. Moving back over to the 2 on the right, again we're going to create another knot and then just pull it tight so it sits below the first one and secure them to the head with as many bobby pins as needed. And then just repeat the same knot on the left hand ponytails. So taking the 2 on the right again, I'm going to bring these up and over the bun and create one more knot and secure them right at the top with a few bobby pins. And then taking the 2 on the left, I'm going to do another knot, but this one I'm going to pop down below and just secure them with some more bobby pins. So take those 2 tail ends in the middle, wrap them around a bobby pin and tuck them up and underneath the hairstyle. And then do the same with the tail ends on the side, so you're just twisting them around bobby pins and then just slipping them beneath the bun so you can't see them. Apply some more of that texture spray all over the bun and then really go to town pinching and pulling this bun to create lots more messy volume. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.